The markets are moving very, very quickly right now. Everywhere you look, there's all kinds of activities across pretty much all the sectors. And so how do you separate the junk from the valuable alpha that is still out there? You may not know this, but my research team and I dig very deep, and we find this kind of precise information. We share it actually with our Altcoin Buzz Alpha army every single day. We go through a ton of valuable, time-sensitive information. Now, usually that is all behind a paywall, but we want to do something a little bit different today and give you a taste of some of the specific actionable information that I'm talking about and that we provide every day in Altcoin Buzz Alpha. We're going to get a little bit technical here. Maybe this is for you, maybe it's not, but one way or the other, if you do want to action this information, you will have the chance to earn some pretty sweet gains. Welcome guys to the channel and to the sneak peek of Altcoin Buzz Alpha. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. By now you know what it is I have to say. Of course I wish you well if you choose to invest, even if it's in this more technical form, especially if you're partaking in this information that we share with our Altcoin Buzz Alpha members. But please remember that I am not a financial or investment advisor, and therefore this video is not official financial or investment advice. Imagine centralized exchange trading access and liquidity, but with no KYC. You can get the volume and the pricing you need without any KYC requirements using BYDFi. It's true. You can trade over 400 trading pairs in the spot market or 150 pairs in the perps market, and you can withdraw 0.5 BTC daily. Plus, fees are super low. We're talking 0.6% for futures and perp trades. Slippage is basically non-existent, and you can trade with up to 200 times leverage or set and forget with the auto invest. And again, all with no KYC. You're also going to get up to $8,698 in bonuses for trying BYDFi, along with a free month of our money-making Altcoin Buzz Alpha service just for giving BYDFi a try. You can check out this deal by clicking the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment below. Let's kick off with a review of Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, and we can take a look at what BTC and ETH are currently looking like during this kind of post-ETF phase. We'll see what the charts have to say. Generally speaking, we always review at least 4 important large caps in our Altcoin Buzz Alpha portfolio, and we try to glean what information we can based on their behavior and based on that analysis. BTC has finally hit the reset button after the ETF hype. The DCA, that's dollar cost average level, is between 41.5 and 40K. A loss of support below $40,000 may be bought up, but it is better to set limit orders to capture the full price action, because this way you aren't stuck watching your screen for a price fill that may or may not come. That's the truth. Remember, you are still ahead of all the ETFs that will need to fill their bags for their new customers, but probably not for long. Switching gears now and considering Ethereum, ETH has successfully broken out of the 2400 range, but a retest seems to be pending. New joiners can DCA into ETH at 2400. Old alpha members can hold the bags that we bought at $1,600 together. ETH is relatively undervalued still and could move in the final stages of the bull run. ETH remains a longer-term play for us, and you can keep following our analysis of Ethereum and Ether, of course, in Altcoin Buzz Alpha. Let's consider some other projects in the market today, because now that we have a bit of clarity regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum, it pays to kind of move down the list and take a look and consider some of the other movers and shakers. Mantle recently completed its Journey program, and there are huge rewards and an anticipated airdrop. Check out this video if you don't know what I'm talking about. We've been covering Mantle lately, and we've been talking about that opportunity in the form of an airdrop. There was also another opportunity to get 60% rewards in your Mantle, and the rewards would be in the Mantle token and Minterest's Minty token. That's M-I-N-T-Y. Note that you can still get 35% interest in Minterest. Now that Mantle journey is over and the Mantle gets free from work, it may be time for another Bybit IDO or Launchpad. Some really amazing projects like Sui have been launched in the past. The recent Game GPT Duel token, that's D-U-E-L-I-D-O, that did a 3.5x in less than a week. And 2 new IDOs are happening in GameFi. But the most important stuff is, first of all, the launch of GaFi 2.0. Concha is a ZK EVM layer 3 on Bitcoin built on Polygon CDK with Celestia DA. Concha encourages experimentation with fully on-chain games, FOCG, enabling a deeper level of decentralization. And this actually plays off a few different narratives that we already like. First of all, it's a layer 3, as it's built on Bitcoin layer 2 stacks, who we also like a lot. Number 2, it's a modular chain using Celestia's data availability layer for better scaling. And number 3, it uses Polygon Cloud for infrastructure and it's built for games. And if you consider all 3 of these narratives together, they're pretty strong and they're good reasons to be bullish. Something else that's very important is Katya. The A1 Launchpad Edition Katya is the sub-brand of GameFi.org Launchpad, specifically designed to nurture premium projects. And Katya, that's C-A-T-I-A, launches are infrequent, uncommon, exclusive, and often outstanding with GAFI token, G-A-F-I, as the pillar. And both these platforms are going to use GAFI as their native token, which will likely cause an increase in demand for GAFI and correspond to a price hike. For those who have received ZK Fair airdrop, it is time to now stake. Post airdrop, the ZK Fair price has spiked, and there is a rumor that most of the ZK Fair projects will airdrop to stakers. It's not 100% verified, but that is the rumor. And you can stake for various periods, but 6 months right now is what we feel is the optimum that you'd want to stake. The good thing is that you're going to get rewards in USDC. And finally, TIA holders are getting rewarded one after another because recently we had the Doki airdrop, that's DOKI, for TIA stakers. And there are rumors right now that Fuel will also airdrop to TIA holders. So if you're not holding Atom, Asomo, and TIA, you're losing out on this opportunity. It is a good one. As far as what's coming up, there are lots of new airdrop opportunities and public sales that are going to be happening very soon. Here are some of the top things that we're scouting right now. First of all, there's a Massa launch and more airdrops actually with very high potential. Linea Final XP calculations, the hottest airdrop in crypto, perhaps, so look out for that. Eigenlayer is coming to Mantle. There are 3 ultra hot airdrops coming online very soon. This is highly anticipated stuff. We'll be discussing all 3 of those 3 very shortly. We have some great public sales that we're looking out for and one-click node running protocol for everyday normal users. All this stuff and much more is available in Altcoin Buzz Alpha. We give you exclusive portfolio recommendations and tracking. Again, gems, IDOs, flips, airdrops, general strategies, and proven buy-sell calls. Sign up with us and be a part of the best. And you can also check out here which new things are coming up this week alone. Once again, links can be found in the description of this video.